she wasn't expecting the order to come as fast as it did. So hello, and welcome back to another Cruisin' with Corey. We are out here on part 2 of my video. We're out here just trying to kill off 2 orders here on a Friday night on Spark, and if we get these 2 orders quickly enough, then we will go ahead and start doing some DoorDash and stuff for a few hours, that until I want to get home to my family. Of course, I'm a dad. I work mother's hours. I work at night. I work around my wife's schedule. That's how I make my ends meet and add income to our family. So if you like, share, blah, blah, blah. If any of that resonates with you, please like, share, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. But we did actually, just in the verbiage of saying this and getting this order, we did actually get an order.
What'd he say?
And now back to your regularly scheduled program,
which is this one, about $27. It's only about 12, it's not a lot of items. I don't even remember how many it was, but it wasn't a lot of items. So we're gonna go bang this out. That'll be number 4, which means we only need 1 more. And I wish there was another rhyme, but I ain't that good. So let's go and grab this. Well, this is the fun of medicine delivery. So I just called the lady and she's not home and there's nobody answering the door. So then she hung up. So I'm gonna wait like 5 minutes and then do a return to store if I have to. Oh, she just texted me. She'll be there in 2 minutes. Okay. All right, so that wasn't as bad as it could have been. She wasn't expecting the order to come as fast as it did. So that's a compliment to me and perhaps Walmart underestimating how quickly orders get dispensed. But as I die, we're gonna head back to the store. There's a shitload of shipped orders on the screen, but I'm hyper focused. Again, my next order basically counts as an extra $34 right now. So that's what we're trying to get right here. Hopefully something comes up quickly so that I don't waste my whole Friday night, but I'm sure we'll get something to finish this off. I'm still on my GoPro. That's why you can't see me, because I didn't switch over cameras. But we got this one. I didn't investigate it yet, but it's $17.33. It's 5 miles. I didn't even look at the items because I don't care. I just want to get this done so that way I can move on to other things and then get my ass home and then get my incentive. And it's all makeup shit, which normally is a bad thing. But as we know on Walmart Spark, because it spoon feeds you the exact directions to everything, makeup doesn't really matter. I'll find it and we'll find it together. That was over here. No, won't give her that ripped one. Bingo. You got it all. All right, very fun. Just about rolled my ankle trying to do that one, but we got it successfully completed. So that puts us at 5 deliveries. That puts us at our $34 bonus. Now we're basically playing with house money. There's 13 shipped orders on the screen. I'm about a mile from Target. I had my eyes on 2. We're gonna go to Target and try to pull together some shipped orders. Depends on the timing and the bonuses and if they're gonna be late, but they're literally on my way home, so let's go score. All right, so I got to Target and someone took the orders that I wanted. They were 13 miles away, but they must have caught on to my plan, and those evil bastards took my orders. But anyways, what we made tonight was this, including our incentive, which is great. If I add that to what I've made, here is my day, and I've only been out for 2 hours tonight. So again, this is a part 2, so really good day, and if only these could be replicated. But anyways, like, share, comment, subscribe. We're growing this slowly. We're having fun doing it. Let's get some more friends along for the ride. Now we're setting the goal to 1,200 subscribers. Slow increments. We're moving on up, and I'm ever so grateful. This is Cruisin' with Corey. Corey out.